Thank you. That's your work? I don't know, Sid. Look for one in my bathroom if you want. Turn it. Here, you gotta turn it this way. Goes in the star. Can you find the star one? Look, right there in the middle. Yeah. Right here. You do it. What's that? You have a plus sign. Try it. You try. Katie, try. It's Katie's work. Yes. Try again. Yay! Another one. Uh-oh. That's a blue circle. No, it doesn't go in there. You did it. That's a square. Square. This one. Nice job. That's a triangle, not a star. Triangle. Yeah. Yeah. Baba. Where's your triangle go? Right there. That's another triangle. It goes in the triangle spot. No, that's for the stars. No, that's for the squares. Right there. Yay! Yes. What's that? Square. Nope. Doesn't go in there. Try again. This one? You do it. Ah, you did them all. What? Huh? You're looking for the star? That's the star. Muffin, No, this one. This one's the star. 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 Put it on.